Hi everyone, welcome back again to our family channel. Today's video is cooking vlog. We are cooking risotto con pesce di mare. So you guys, if you are living in Italy, you know what we call pesce di mare. That is fish, all these small fish and crayfish and all the rest. So this is white rice, Italian rice. So risotto, I'm cooking risotto right now. So keep watching. Let's dive into the video and see how I prepare this homemade result. So I would like you to try it. So let's dive into the video. Thank you so much. Welcome. Hello guys, welcome back to Asawinnerbaby and Family TV. Today we are making rice, Italian rice. We call it rice risotto di mare, right? Risotto di mare. This is the rice here. I have already started boiling it, so it's in the fire. So look at it. So after boiling it, this is the mare, the pesce. Mare is pesce di mare means all these little small fish. Okay, this is the pesce di mare. So this is the cooking right now. You can see all my rice is ready and my fish is also ready. You will see in the other frying pan is my butter, that is butter. So whenever you are cooking it, use butter for you to have the correct taste. Okay, so if you have the butter, you now apply the sauce and the rice together. So I do it like this. I first of all put the butter in the frying pan and lower my gas. Then you apply your pesce di mare, the one that you have already boiled. You will see it in the other of the frying pan. Now I'm putting it inside the butter. You can see I'm just applying it inside the butter. So you apply it. After doing that, you will now mix everything together with the butter, right? So after you do all this, now you will not apply if you want to put Maggi, you are the type that use Maggi, you put it and make sure that you remember to put pepper, black pepper. Black pepper is good for this special demand, this risotto. Don't use ordinary pepper. And apply this, cover your pot. You can see I have applied it and I have covered my pot. I'll come back again for a few minutes. After some seconds or minutes, I just open it back. You can see it's ready now. So what I will do is to open my rice, the pot, the rice, and this is my rice. I open it, then apply. This is my rice. It's already done. So make sure that you cook it done. So don't bother about the starch. Some people don't know how to cook the risotto. They say it's too much starch. That is what make it to become a risotto. All right, that is what make it to become this thing I put. So put all the spices you want to add. You understand me? See, I'm adding it, salt and this that black pepper and this one. You normally use this vegetarian Maggi. You see, this is the black pepper. All right. So apply all this inside that your pesce di mare. So my pepper is gratificato. If you are living in Italy, you know what I mean by gratificato. You will just do it by yourself. When you are turning it around that way, the pepper will be coming out. Okay. So now you lower your gas. I'm lowering my gas so that you will not burn. You have to use low gas. Don't use gas that is high. Don't use high. So use your low gas. All right. Then after turning everything, then I will now apply my already boiled white rice. So when you turn it very well. So after you turn it very well, everything, see, I'm applying it right now. You can see. So I'm applying the white rice. Turn it and it will become risotto. You see the outcome of this, very good and very delicious and amazing. So when turning it, make sure that it's look watery, because when you cook the rice, you see that the rice will have a lot of starch on it. Don't mind it. That starch that is meant it to become risotto. When you are eating it, you will see how tasteful it is. Very, very good. So I hope when I enjoy this blog, this cooking blog, I would like you to try this way as I narrated it here. I explained how I cooked my own. This is how I prepare my own, and very, very good. Most of the restaurant they prepare it right, because I worked in the restaurant 9 years. I worked in the restaurant 9 years. That is where I know how to cook this risotto very well. Very, very delicious, guys. Let me leave it so that I can watch the rest of the video to the end. See you again in our next video. God bless you. Bye. Don't forget to drop your comment section, and also share this video if you don't mind. If you like what we are doing, we need your opinion, your comments, and everything. Subscribe. See you again. Bye.